Hello students, welcome to my channel CGAT Maths. Myself, Dr. Suresh Brother. In this video, we are going to discuss an example based on Clairauts equation. Okay, look at here. Express this equation e raised to 3x into p minus 1 plus p cube into e raised to 2y is equal to 0 into Clairauts form by using this substitution. By using the substitution, u is equal to e raised to x and v is equal to e raised to y. Student, first let us understand what is the form of Clairauts equation, how it is actually. Then let us solve this example. The example is very easy. Okay, everybody will get understand this example. Student, an equation of the form y is equal to px plus function of p is called Clairauts equation. Okay. So it is y power is 1 and p power is also 1, x power is also 1, okay, plus the rest of them is function of p. Function of p may be either it may be p or it may be 1 by p, okay, or it may be sine p, or it may be e raised to p, or it may be 1 by 1 plus p, okay, whatever it may be, it must be a function of p. Okay, so now we shall express e raised to 3x into p minus 1 plus p cube into e raised to 2y is equal to 0 into Clairauts form by using this substitution. Okay. So students, what is our main motto is you need to express the function of x into u, function of y into v. Okay. So in that manner we are going to express. Okay. So what we need to substitute here? I am writing the substitution in the reverse order. Substitute e raised to x equal to u. Okay. If e raised to x equal to u means what is e raised to 3x? What is e raised to 3x? Or you can write e raised to x whole cube is equal to e raised to x. Okay, take cube on both sides, it will become u cube, or e raised to x whole cube is e raised to 3x is equal to u cube. Okay, fine. Similarly, you know that e raised to y is equal to v, and here we want e raised to 2y. For that, e raised to y whole square is equal to, which is v square, so we have taken a squaring on both sides, or e raised to 2y is equal to, which is v square, means you have converted e raised to 3x in terms of u and e raised to 2y in terms of v, and what you need to substitute this small p. Okay, so how do you write small p as? Student, we know that small p is equal to dy by dx. Small p is equal to dy by dx. Okay. So I am going to express dy by dx by the help of chain rule. Okay. I am writing dy as it is and divide by dx. Look at here, y. This is y is depending on v. So for that you can multiply and divided by dv. Similarly, x is depending on, look at, x is depending on u. Okay, so for that I multiply and divided by du. So in this example, let us consider or take it as this dv by du is taken as some capital P. Okay, so and also we need to have dy by dv and du by dx we need to find out. So for that, student, you can take the substitution here and you calculate it. What is substitution here? We have u is equal to e raised to x and v is equal to e raised to y. You differentiate u with respect to x. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x, and similarly differentiate v with respect to y. So e raised to y is e raised to y. Look at here, we want du by dx. Du by dx is already here. Okay, I want dy by dv. Okay, so we have dv by dy right in the reverse order. So dy by dv is equal to, it will become 1 by e raised to y. Okay, so now let us substitute here. Okay, what will happen? What is dy by dv? Dy by dv is, which is 1 by e raised to y into this value is capital P, and du by dx is e raised to x, or it will become e raised to x divided by e raised to y into capital P. As I mentioned earlier that we need to express e raised to 3x in terms of u, e raised to 2y in terms of v, and also small p in terms of u, v and capital P only. So for that, e raised to x value is u, you can write here. E raised to y is v into capital P. So you can substitute small p as this. So on substitution of all these things, that is three values. One is this one, another one is this, and third one is this, that is small p is equal to this total. Okay, so on substitution of these three in the given equation, so it will become, so therefore the given equation becomes e raised to 3x. E raised to 3x is u cube. What is the value of small p? Small p is u by p into capital P minus 1 plus p cube. P cube means u by v into capital P whole cube into e raised to 2y is v square is equal to 0. Okay, so this is u cube, keep it as it is. The LCM is v, so this is u into capital P minus v plus this is u cube divided by v cube into capital P cube into v square equal to 0. So you try to understand here, v square and one v square get cancelled. Okay. Also, further you can observe that what is common in these two terms. So u cube is common. Okay, here u cube is present in both the terms, and also v. Here v square get cancelled. There is one more v left here. So u cube by v you can take common, and observe what will left. I am writing here itself. Okay, u cube divided by v you can take common. You will get u into capital P minus v. Okay, plus what it left here, just p cube. is equal to 0. Okay. Students, u cube divided by v is common, or you can transform second term to right side, u cube by v and u cube by v get cancel. So therefore, students, you have two cases, that is this is like a what, x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0, that is x minus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. These are like two roots. Okay, this is one root, another one root. We are going to take these are equal to 0. So only in, if I take these two are equal to 0, here u cube by v is never 0. So only thing is up minus v plus p cube equal to 0. Okay. So first one is not equal to 0. U cube by v is equal to 0 means u cube is equal to 0, and again u is equal to 0. In such a cases, because we need to take substitution as e raised to x. So for that, the first term is never 0. Only thing is this is 0. Up minus v plus p cube is equal to 0. Okay. So what you need to do is transform this minus v to right side. Is u into capital P plus P cube is equal to V. Or you can write in the reverse order, V is equal to UP plus P cube. So try to understand this equation carefully. Okay. So what is actually our main Clairauts equation? Standard equation of Clairauts, that is y is equal to px plus function of p. Here, try to understand, here v means, you know the substitution, v means e raised to y, means v is the function of y, and here u is the function of x. Okay, function of x. So for that, v is equal to u into capital P plus p cube is in Clairauts form. Is in Clairauts form. So therefore, Clairauts form, its general solution is obtained by, its general solution is obtained by replacing this capital P by C constant. So V is equal to U C plus C cube. Finally, substitute the value of U and V. V is equal to e raised to y is equal to e raised to x into c plus c cube. So this is the general solution of the given equation. We have expressed it in the Clairauts equation and we have solved the equation. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.